Okay, I'm about to pack up my 600-piece jigsaw puzzle. It actually had 2 pieces missing, here and here, and I'm going to put it back in the box and give this away as a gift to somebody who might want it for Christmas, even though there's 2 pieces missing. So anyway, enjoy watching me pack up this jigsaw puzzle. I'm going to do this as quickly as possible. So here we go. Destroy. Hours and hours of work just being destroyed right now. This is probably the funnest part of doing the jigsaw puzzle, destroying it. And the box. But I'm not losing pieces. Really lost 2 pieces, but it's not losing more. And somebody else can then put this jigsaw puzzle together over Christmas. Or you might like to see the destruction of it. Nearly done. A little bit to go. Not much more. A few little pieces. And we're done. Little. One jigsaw puzzle destroyed. Mission accomplished.